In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira more efficiently for a cleaner, faster, and more organized workflow. A lot of teams use Jira every day, but not everyone uses it in a way that actually supports speed and clarity. When tickets are messy, statuses are outdated, and tasks are hard to scan, the tool starts creating friction instead of removing it. The good news is that Jira has built-in features that can make your board much easier to manage once you set things up properly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site, or sign in through Atlassian's login page using your own secure credentials. Once you land on the main dashboard, go straight into your primary engineering workspace and open the main Agile board. This helps you avoid distractions and work from the area that matters most. Next, create issues with a clear structure. At the top of the screen, click the Create button. In the Issue type menu, choose the right category for the work you're logging. Use Epic for larger initiatives that span multiple weeks, Story for user-facing functionality, and Bug Only for defects or regressions. In the Summary field, write a short, descriptive title that is easy to scan. Then use the description area to explain the requirements clearly before selecting Create. Once the issue has been created, open it and improve the description by turning it into a practical definition of done. Instead of writing long paragraphs, add a simple checklist in Markdown format. For example, include items for code being compiled and peer-reviewed, automation tests passing, and cross-browser UI validation being checked. This makes expectations visible at a glance and reduces confusion during implementation. After that, look at the issue key shown near the top of the ticket. You can use that key in your local Git workflow when creating commit messages. Add the issue key along with the appropriate status and a short comment in the commit message so Jira can automatically update the issue and log progress in the background. This saves time and cuts down on manual status changes in the browser. If you open a ticket with a long comment history, scroll to the activity and comments section and use the Summarize Comments feature. Jira can condense the discussion into a quick overview so you can catch up faster. You can also use the AI command in a text field to help reformat content, adjust wording, or break down large stories more clearly. Before wrapping up, return to your board and do a quick review. Make sure project names are clear, columns are organized, issue keys match your development work, and your tracking views display correctly. A quick check like this helps keep the workspace reliable and easy for the whole team to use. That's all for this video.